In terms of their preferred and in some cases required growing temperature, plants fall into two main groups: cool season plants and warm season plants. Because cool season plants can take a light frost, but get severely stressed and often bolt and go to seed when temperatures get over 80 to 85 degrees, so like 27 to 30 degrees Celsius. Each species can be planted a certain number of weeks before your specific local average last frost date to take advantage of the cooler weather but longer sunny days of spring that they love. Because warm season plants typically can't take a frost and love warmer temperatures, they're typically planted on or a certain number of weeks after your specific local average last frost date. You can use the number of weeks before or after your average last frost date that I have displayed on the screen here. You can look them up on my website. I also have a link to that specific page in the description below. Or you can use the seed packets, which typically display this information along with planting depth, spacing, etc. All will work well and be about the same. To find your specific local average last frost date in the spring, you can click on the average last frost date link in the description below that will take you to a page with resources to help you find yours. You can also just Google it.